Hi everyone, welcome you all to Happy Land in Zambia. Yes, I hope you have watched my earlier uploaded blog about Happy Land, a theme park in Zambia. I can see here a beautiful garden, a thatched house. Oh my god, it's so attractive, romantic. And if you sit here, you will feel completely relaxed and cut out from the chaotic city. Oh, really nice. And let's go and explore the garden. I can see the tempting lush green everywhere and the colorful flowers. Yes, they are really beautiful. I believe one quote by a famous writer, quote, to plant a garden is to dream of tomorrow, unquote. True. A garden is a grand teacher for us. A garden requires patience, labor, and attention. Flowers are always our friend. They give us lot of happiness, sunshine, food, medicine for us. And I always feel that garden is such a friend we can visit anytime. I can hear some music among the trees, the flowers, the plants. Yes, but to listen to this music, our hearts must be very quiet. I always remember one famous quote by Adam Smith, quote, life is like a garden, unquote. Yes, true, our life is like a garden. I think our life is also like a garden because it is constantly changing, evolving, flowing from one season to the next. So, like garden also changing constantly from flowing from one season to another. In life, we also encounter storms which show up as challenges, heartaches. Same way the gardens encounter storms. The way storms or natural calamities threaten to uproot trees, the same way storms of our lives we always face, and we take the challenges and we make ourselves more stronger after the storm, and we face the storm and we believe this is going to end one day, the storm of our life. If we nourish the garden, water it, throw away the weeds that pop up in the garden, then the garden only start to grow and flourish. In order to grow in our lives, we have to throw away the negativity like weeds of a garden. A garden is a living thing and that needs constant care, attention. It needs sunlight, it needs nutrients, it needs water, protection from pests, and many more care from us. Same way, like a garden, we have to take care of ourselves, our healthy mind, happy mind, and healthy life. Just have a look at those thatched houses. Oh my god, they are so beautiful and breathtaking. A very beautiful sunny day, and sun always gives you energy, inspiration, relax, everything you can get from sunlight and sunny days. Yes, they are so beautiful. I can't stop myself to go there and explore those areas. Yes, very tempting, romantic place. And I feel like sitting here for hours after hours, don't want to go back home. I'm just enjoying nature and the beautiful romantic structure at Happy Land in Zambia. So, my viewers, just don't waste your time after watching my blog. You just come and visit this place with your family, loved ones, and friends to make memories and make your own vlog videos or write your own experiences of visiting Happy Land in Zambia. Just have a glimpse of beautiful African wildlife from here, my viewers. Can you see those zebras and antelopes? Wild animals are the beauty and originality of Africa, I must say. Guys, can you see the Ferris wheel? I already shared in my earlier vlogs. Yes, Ferris wheels can be an extremely relaxing ride. If you are adventurous, you can ride it. Then you can have the breathtaking view of the KK International Airport and the surrounding areas. At Happy Land, you can go and interact with the wildlife and take selfies with them. It's just amazing and beautiful experience. I hope it will be. Such blessings to sit here in nature and enjoy the simplicity, the unspoiled nature here in Zambia. I always believe there is beauty everywhere. There are amazing things happening everywhere. You just have to be able to open your eyes and witness it. I'm just enjoying the beautiful nature, wildlife in Zambia. I'm currently in a season where I crave nature, solitude, and self exploration more than anything else. Follow and subscribe my channel Bengal Tigress. Thanks for your time and attention.